Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another recipe, how to make kangu mousse. So I've used 1 cup of flour, and then I will use 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I will use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I will use 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then this cooking oil, and of course water. Then that pepper, don't worry about it, I'll cover the dough after I have prepared it. So I will add the 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I will add salt. I had already added 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder to the flour, and then mixed it. So I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients until they incorporate all together. Then I've added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then I will mix everything until I get a sandy-like to get that sandy-like paste, not paste really, sandy-like texture of the flour. This is the kind of texture I was talking about after I've mixed everything with oil. Then I will add water and start kneading the dough. So I've mixed everything, I've added water, but I've not used the whole cup of water, just a little water. Then you knead until you get a very tough dough. So see, I'm almost getting there, and you rub the dough against the skin so that you don't leave the flour remaining to this side. Then the dough might seem to be lighter, so you add a little flour or flour, whichever, to make it a very hard dough. I'm adding some oil, then I will knead. After adding oil, I will leave it to rest for 1 hour, and then cover with this nylon paper. Then after it has rested, I'll come back to prepare and make the kangu mousse or the half cakes. So after 1 hour, I'll be back. After 1 hour, our dough has risen, as you can see, and to test if it has risen well, that's what you do. And when it comes up, you know you did something good. So I will take the dough, then place it on this flour. Then I'll divide into two. I make 2 balls like that. Then I will roll out them. So the shape is not necessarily, should not be that round as such, because we have to maintain a thickness that will allow the kangumus to swell. So this is how, and this is the thickness I'm using. Then I will cut them into those. So you can decide the size that you want. I will use that size. That way. Then I roll out the other one. So then I will cut. So you can determine the shape that you want. Some prefer rolling them into small balls, but I will cut them that way. Then we place, then after this you now place them to cook. So this is how I've cut them. You see the sizes differ. Then when cooking kangumu, you don't place on boiled oil, you place on cold oil, and you allow them to, as the oil boils, that's when the kangumu will be swelling and forming themselves. Now let's go and place them to cook. So as you can see, the oil has not yet boiled. It's very cold, so you place it like that. You place in cold oil. So as you can see, as the oil is getting hot and the kangumus are also swelling into shape. So when they start swelling like this, you also turn. You turn the other side. Make sure you turn all of them. So when you turn that way, you wait now until they are cooked to brown color, that brown color that you'd prefer, and then wait. So as they cook here, you can increase the fire depending on the mode of cooking you are using. So I'm also increasing mine. So let's wait until they get brown. So the kangumus or half cakes are turning into color, so I turn the other side, and again I turn. So you allow them to cook into brown color. You can make it more brown, a bit brown, provided they are well cooked. So the first bunch of kangumus are ready. Now you are taking them off fire. So that's how I do to drain oil. So after cooking the first bunch, the oil is hot. So I usually take the sufuria from fire, then I place it aside and place the other part, the other bunch, until they swell is when I return them to cook on fire. So from here I turn from here, so you turn them like that. After they are swollen enough, you return them back to cook on fire. So that's the last bunch of kangumu cakes. So I'm turning them and wait for them to be brown. Then I take them off fire. So here I will increase fire so that they cook well, and then I take them off. So again, you remember that when you are cooking kangumu, you start with cold oil. After cooking the first bunch, you place your sufuria off fire aside, then you place them the sliced dough. When they raise, so you turn them the other side and then you put on fire. So it is not that hard, just trying and keep trying until you perfect your skills. So the last bunch is ready. I'm now taking them off fire. So our kangumus half cakes are ready. So try that recipe, it will work well for you, and keep on trying and don't give up. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. God bless you for watching.